from. Now he will face.
Oh my God!
Suplex midair. First trip assault by Cody.
Cody bounces the champion.
He knows which rules. In midair.
Must abide by
the human power. The ribs
of the beast incarnate.
He's back in control.
So on the outside gives. Oh my God!
Incredible ribs injuries at the hands of Lesnar.
I don't think this is a wise move. Far enough.
Targeted by Lesnar the night after
enough.
Because he wants to. He might as well just count him out. Here we see these. How the
Cody just exposed the turnbuckle.
Cody Rhodes building some momentum.
But I think the results are going to be inevitable. Oh God!
Another throw. Suicide dive. I think that tipped the beast off. Oh, Cody Rhodes. Cody Cutter. The beast has been wounded. Disaster wound on the face of Lesnar. Cody with a kick. Cody Cutter.
Cody's
Crossroads. And Roman
jawbreaker.
And a headbutt. He went face first. And then he caught by Roman. Oh no. Who lands on his feet.
And some at Lesnar.
Superman Cody with right to the wounded beast.
A Superman punch and delivery.
And misses wildly.
Cody Rhodes looking for the disaster kick.
Brought to you by Intuit TurboTax.
We are guaranteed a happy end.
Run it. Again.
Smart move. Cody went to the body. Experiencing.
Match underway.
Undisputed championship. Listen. Odin wasn't feeling doubt before. He wants to change the course of history.
Guillotine. The submission hold that takes back.
The leniency.
And now Roman.
The outside.
Times in this business, in this world.
Paranoia as he delivers it.
Cody the first.
Oh my God.
And Kevin Owens. So many great things.
Oh, and splash down Roman.
Classic Roman Reigns.
Classic.
Chief just suffered a stunner from Owens.
Went to the stairs. The undisputed championship's more than that.
What? Oh my God!